For most of us, skin problems are a fact of life. A very common one being skin producing too much oil. Oily skin can give your skin an unwanted shine and clog your pores, which can lead to acne problems. In my previous video, I showed you how to make a tea tree and charcoal soap. And today, I will show you a very simple but highly effective DIY skin toner. To make this miracle toner, we will need apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of nature's very effective weapons to heal most skin-related woes. Distilled purified water. I'm going to show you how to make distilled purified water at home. Heat water in a vessel, and to make it more beneficial, I'm adding some tulsi leaves to it because it has a calming effect on troubled skin. Simmer for 15 minutes over low heat. Now I'm placing another bowl on top of this infused mixture so that the distilled water gets collected in it. Put the lid on with some ice cubes to quicken the process. Let the water simmer for another 15 minutes, after which you can turn off the heat and let it cool down. Take off the lid and you will see water collected in the bowl, which is distilled purified water with the goodness of tulsi. Now to make the toner, take about 50 ml of apple cider vinegar and mix it with 3 parts of distilled purified water, which is about 150 ml. Now mix it well and transfer the mixture to a bottle. Use this toner post-cleansing by taking some on a cotton pad. And once it dries, you can apply your moisturizer. You can use it every single morning and evening, and there will be a noticeable change and improvement in your skin in just a week's time. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.